Hi guys, I am in Delhi. Oh my god.
तू जानता नहीं है मेरा बाप कौन है?
I will endure the pain because that's what women do. How am I looking guys? Comments में बताओ.
इससे पहले मैं बड़े गुस्से में थी, प्रॉपर दिल्ली वाले गुस्से में थी.
My blood is a little brownish. भाई आपने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है. Hi guys, I am in Delhi. Oh my god. Am I in the camera yet? Hi guys. I am in Delhi today riding the queen of Royal Enfields. I mean, the first time I saw this bike in pictures, I was just like, bro, so nicely made. So tastefully made. Such a classy motorcycle. It's got all this loud gold that shouts at you when you look at it. But the colors with which it's matched, it just beautifully works together so nicely. I also want to feel like a jeweled queen. So, love me some fake gold. If she can be so embellished, फिर मुझे मैं पीछे क्यों रहूं? How am I looking, guys? Comments में बताओ. According to Suraj, he's like, you've gone from 0 to puppy line. I love Bapida, okay? So I don't care. Starters, it's very high up. The pegs are really high up and very, very different from any of the choppers I've ridden. They're not as far as a lot of choppers also, where the shifter and the brake are, but it's quite high up. See where my leg is. So it's quite different, quite interesting. Let's Okay, let's see how easy this is to turn. Actually, not bad at all. Wow. It's shocking how well this bike turns, how well this bike rides, because like I've realized that custom bikes, they look really good and there's a lot of change mechanically also. A lot of people make those changes, but then that kind of affects the ride quality a lot. I wouldn't say the same about this because it rides really well. It doesn't gyrate, it doesn't, like, of course Royal Enfields vibrate, but it's just a firmer, nicer feeling motorcycle. और मज़ा आता है यार. Okay, so I've taken out all those the festive jewels of mine because भाई बहुत गर्मी है, and I'm now going to invite Navneet Suri, who is the creator of this motorcycle, to come and talk to me. So आ जाइए भाई, आ जाइए, आ जाइए. First, you can welcome me to Delhi.
हाँ, welcome to Delhi, Priyanka.
तो I'll tell you a little story. we were going to start shooting at 2 o'clock and Navneet's like, हाँ आप आ जाओ and all, द्वारका में हम लोग शूट कर रहे हैं, आप आ जाओ. तो हम लोग मैं एरो सिटी से आई, जो कैमरा के पीछे सूरज है, ही केम फ्रॉम नोएडा. तो टाइम तो बहुत लगा हम दोनों को और हम आ गए. रुके नवनीत भाई साहब कब आएंगे, रुके आए नहीं. फ़ोन पे 5 मिनट बोलते रहे एंड 1 आवर के बाद वो बोलते हैं सॉरी पर बाइक में थोड़ी गड़बड़ है, आप प्लीज़ हमारे पास आ जाओ. फिर हमको चाटे वाटे खिलाई, बढ़िया चाट. We had the best चाट I've ever eaten till date, so thank you for that. And that's why you're seeing me so happy now. इससे पहले मैं बड़े गुस्से में थी, प्रॉपर दिल्ली वाले गुस्से में थी कि तू जानता नहीं है मेरा बाप कौन है. But I am here now. So anyway, Navneet, thank you for all the fun.
Okay.
Please tell me how you came up with the concept of this bike.
See, actually, this bike was designed in my initial years. मतलब 6 years हो चुके हैं नी मोटरसाइकिल्स को.
Okay.
तो फर्स्ट सेकंड ईयर में मैंने ये बाइक डिज़ाइन की थी. तो व्हेन आई शो टू फ्यू ऑफ द कस्टमर एंड जब मैंने नी मोटरसाइकिल पे शेयर किया, दे वर पीपल हु लव्ड द डिज़ाइन.
Absolutely.
और हाँ, उनमें से एक बंदा ही केम फॉरवर्ड एंड ही लेट मी जस्ट बिल्ड द मोटरसाइकिल.
Can you tell me like 3 things about it that you think stand out and make this motorcycle different?
फर्स्ट, द वेरी यूनिक थिंग इज़ द रियर व्हील.
Okay.
रियर व्हील में हमने ऑलमोस्ट एक एक पार्ट, एक एक नट बोल्ट तक हमने खुद डिज़ाइन किया है एंड इट इज़ हैंड मशीन एंड हैंड बिल्ट
ओके
एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम ये आप ये कोन देख सकते हैं,
हाँ जी,
दिस इज ऑल बिल्ट फ्रॉम बिलेट एल्युमिनियम और उस पर फिर गोल्डन पॉलिश की गई है,
वाओ
गोल्डन क्रोम किया गया
ओके
एंड इट्स अ सिंगल साइड
Right,
सिंगल
yes,
साइड स्विंग
swing
आर्म,
arm.
सिंगल साइड व्हील, वो भी स्पोक्स के साथ एक स्पोक.
ठीक
सो
है.
दैट्स द मोस्ट यूनिक थिंग अबाउट दिस बाइक.
एब्सोल्युटली इट इज.
सेकंड, द टैंक बहुत ही स्लिम, यू नो क्वीन है तो उस हिसाब से उसको सुंदर बनाना था.
एब्सोल्युटली.
तो जो भी हम कर पाए हर एक पार्ट में हमने डिटेल डालने की कोशिश की है. सेकंड इज द टैंक, आप देखिए कितना खूबसूरत है, पिन स्ट्राइप्स का रखी हैं एंड सेंटर में द क्राउन ऑफ द क्वीन.
या
तो this is the most beautiful thing about this bike.
ओके.
And third, you can just have a look at our front wheel also.
या
That's
या
a 23 inch
ओह माय गॉड.
23 inch wheel,
हाँ.
130. तो ये भी काफ़ी बड़ा व्हील है.
आपको कितना टाइम लगा ये बनाने में?
See, I was thinking कि 5 months में complete कर देंगे.
राइट.
But the lockdown happened. Then again lockdown, तो इसको 1 साल से ज़्यादा लग गया. But अगर
Right.
हम बनाना चाहें ऐसी बाइक तो it can be built in less than 4 to 6 months.
How cool. Awesome. 4 to 6 months is a great, I mean, for a standard 500 to go to this, that's not bad at all. And what kind of costing, like basic, आप मेरे को कुछ दे दो basic costing की, what would it be like? Because if someone's interested, they should contact you.
See, for this kind of bike, it can cost you above 6 lakh.
Okay.
Because engine के अलावा almost even the frame and swing arm is everything is hand built or hand fabricated in the workshop itself.
Wow, wow.
बाकी like we have many bikes for almost every customer who has any budget. It doesn't matter.
Lovely. So anyway, thank you so much. I'm going to keep looking at the bike, and there are a lot of things that I want to talk about to these guys. But thanks,
to-
man.
yeah.
Thanks so much. So things about Queen that I really, really dig. Let's start with the seat. It's a very, very unique triangular looking thing which actually dips down all the way into the frame. If you look, it ends here, which is very, very cool. I haven't seen this on a motorcycle before. That is different, isn't it? So the second thing I love about it is the paint scheme. Yes, it's a tried and tested paint scheme, black, red and gold. और सबको पता है कि बहुत अच्छी तरह ये तीन कलर्स मैच होते हैं. But dude, it really, really works. The gold really pops against the black and the red. Also, worth mentioning are the handlebar grips, the Kickstarter, this really cool tank cap. If you're near Diwali, happy Diwali. If you're near Dussehra, happy Dussehra. This can scream anything you want it to. Number 3, the exhaust pipe. So it's in the shape of an S, as you can see. But how crude is it? It's a simple stainless steel pipe that has no cosmetic finish to it, because what Navneet has done is he's tried to keep in tune with all the gold accents and the gold elements on the bike. The one thing that you cannot miss about this motorcycle is this beautiful tank. It may look like it actually holds a lot of fuel in it because of how long it is. Say the standard 500 holds 13.5 liters. So I'm going to get you to guess how much fits in this. Tell me in comments. कितना fuel बैठता है Queen के tank में? बताओ मुझे comments में. So yeah guys, अभी मेरे पेट में मतलब मैं बहुत फुल हो गई हूँ क्योंकि मैंने वो पूरी दही, पापड़ी, चाट वाट जो भी है सब खा लिया. तो मुझे अभी जाके सोना है घर में. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Do subscribe, like and share, and tell me what you think of Queen, because this is a spectacular looking RE and truly is the queen of all the REs I have had on this page. See ya!